Yeah, so guys, as I mentioned, I am in Kiserian Market and I've seen a stall here where we have a gentleman selling awesome products here, just what you need in your house. Talk about carrots, there is some peas here, there's tomatoes, there's vitungu, talk about viazi, everything. And so I want to go by there, maybe speak to him, talk to him about how business is doing so that you all at home can have a sense of how business is doing more so in these crazy economic times whereby we're seeing cost of living increasing. And also for you to be able to know whereby you can get these products in the market in case you come into Kiserian Market. Look at this product, guys. You have tomatoes there, which is selling very well arranged. We also have some carrots here. You can see we also have some, we're talking about here, we have some peas, okay? Both the ones which has been removed from the case and also the ones which are still there. You see, we have here some viazi, which this gentleman is selling, potatoes. And so I want to talk to him, even though we have some vegetables, cabbages. So I want to talk to him about the business so that we can understand biashara iko aje, right? Bro, vipi? Hey, maje? Good, you're good?
I'm good.
Hapo sawa kabisa. So naitwa Sifuna na vile umeona nimeingia kwa hii soko. I'm showing people the market. Wajue Kiserian Market iko vipi na wajue wanapata bidhaa wapi. Nimeingia kwa soko nimeona kuna bidhaa nyingi huko. Kuna watu wanauza mango pande nyingine huko, wanauza electronics huko. Hii pande ni chakula. Na nimeona uko hapa na stall, umepanga vizuri kabisa. Stall yako iko sawa na iko na bidhaa kadhaa, si ndio? So nimeonelea tuzungumze kidogo. Okay. Watu wajue unafanya nini? Ndio also wajue wanakupata wapi na so forth. So tuanze kwa majina yako. Unaitwa nani? Acha nipate mic kidogo hapa bro. Songa karibu hivi. Unaitwa nani?
Anthony Kibugi.
Anthony Kibugi. Wewe unafanya nini hapa?
AKA Pianto.
AKA Pianto.
AKA Pianto.
AKA Pianto.
Jina kubwa.
Jina kubwa. Hapo sawa kabisa bro, So look at the traders.
Don't mind them.
So AKA Pianto, si ndio? So
kabisa bro.
Kabisa
if
bro.
you mind them, we will not talk.
Kabisa bro. So unafanya nini hapa kwa soko wewe?
I'm doing business. I sell vegetables. I sell vegetables. For all vegetables. Vegetables, any vegetables you want.
Any vegetables.
Yeah.
So guys, as you've heard, Anton, aka Pianto.
AKA
Pianto is doing business here selling vegetables, and of course as you've seen all the vegetables here, also some vegetables and also other grocery items. And as you all know, we've all seen some crazy economic times in these recent times. So bro, saizi biashara inaenda vipi kwako?
Ni ngumu. Because commodities they are not available.
Commodities ziko available.
Commodities not available, but the customers they are available. So that's the difference we have between me and the customers.
And then Pianto, if I can ask you, unamaanisha nini kusema commodities not available? Na nauliza hivyo kwa sababu unaona watu wakiangalia hivi soko wanaona imejaa, right? Hata hapa kwa stall yako uko kama viazi na hapa viazi zimejaa, ziko ready kuuzwa. Unamaanisha ni ziko available, unamaanisha kuwa kutoka kwa shamba ni ngumu, ama unamaanisha kuwa mabroker wanauza expensive zikuja, ama unamaanisha ni kabisa?
Ikifika hapa kwa job ndio inakuwa ngumu. Sababu ikitoka huko inakuwa na bei kali. Alafu ikifika hapa hata customer nikimwambia tunakosana. Sababu bei yake anataka eko na so viazi ni 120 na eko na so it is not applicable.
It's not applicable. Sasa ndio customer aelewe. Ndio customer aelewe. Let's give them an example. Tutumia for example kitu kama minji. Kuja tafadhali uonyeshe mtu kidogo, kuja kiasi. Ndio waelewe. Tunasema ndio kumaanisha kwa bei imepanda, si ndio? So as you can see guys, let's just illustrate using this particular minji product. Waambie kwa mfano any of the tins here. Waonyeshe kwanza size ya tin, kwa mfano chukua yote. This tin here for example, this big tin here.
This
one, okay? This right now
150.
How much?
150.
150.
This is 50.
Yes.
And this is 100.
That's 100, right?
But
so let's say like 1 year ago, is how much?
100 ago.
1 year ago, zimepanda bei ya
100. 50 bob rising.
So kama ya 150 ilikuwa 100 bob 1 year ago. Sasa hizi imepanda na more than 50%.
50, yeah.
I see. Sawa, tuende to the interview. I can see now. So guys, as you can see, bidhaa bei zimepanda kabisa. Kitu ya for example you could buy for example at 100 shillings end of last year. Saizi tunaongea about bei imeongezeka na about 50%. And so bro, based on that, wewe mwenyewe una survive aje?
Mi
Kwa sababu nauliza hivyo kwa sababu nishaisikia mtu akisema ati Kenya mtu kama ana pesa yako peke yake, of which kuna ukweli na pia kuna uchungu fulani hapo, na pia inaumiza watu wengi kwa sababu Wakenya wanaumia. So the question is wewe unaadapt aje na hii situation, because bei ya vitu imepanda, clients wamepungua, so how are you coping? Is it do you have to reduce your size of stock to keep up with the momentum, or what exactly are you doing to
let me ask you, my style of stock, my style of living, or my style of
exactly life? all that how are you coping to adjust to the economy,
adjust to maintain the way I do?
Exactly, to continue business and also to survive in this economy,
to maintain what I do.
Yes,
by God's grace.
And ndio bro, msemo kweli, kwa sababu hata nikija Rongai nimekuwa jamaa matatu wamekuwa kuja wanasema pia wana survive, ni kubaya kwa sababu even I've been coming na jamaa matatu hivi kwa Rongai tukuja hivi kutoka kwa Rongai kuja hivi Kiserian wana survive hata hawajui like day by day.
I tell you, I survive by God's grace because each and every day I wake up in the morning na jai ni nyima ananipeanga na jai nipe mingi ataniharibu ananipeanga tu the little I want,
enough what you need,
the enough. If I want a tea, a lunch, a supper, I sleep and I come back.
Then you come back. But
I want to say this.
Yes, please.
To this economy, me to me. God, tell them try so that the young youth can save a little thing for next year, because I will not live long. I will just live my life, and I won't live long. But I want something to be excited when I'm going old. Because I will go old.
At least you have something in old age.
Whoever in the government will hear this, just leave the youth to give them a chance to save something a little, so that in the next time he or she will benefit for that. That's all.
Thanks for that, Pianto. And you've talked about an important thing, touching on the youth, because at the moment we're seeing cost ya maisha imeongezeka na pesa serikali imeongeza taxes. So saizi even we have youths out there who are struggling, hawajua kwa biashara wanaingia aje kwa biashara, mambo yamekuwa ngumu, they desire to do something but things are hard.
Also that I will comment on that.
Yes, so what's your comment on that?
Let me comment on that.
The
youth, they are not lazy, they are not drunkard, they have every right and they are energetic. But what they want is just one thing, just a little to finance kabaka kadogo, hata kama ni 5,000 mpatie, ninunue kanyanya kamoja, kaminji kamoja na kawaru kadogo, hata sitaki iwe full, kahaf. Hivyo tu, hiyo ingine usinipe, hiyo ingine, nipe hiyo kadogo tu. Just lies me up. Just that.
Alafu yenyewe sasa ni bidii yako pia ujisukume kabisa basi.
Sasa hiyo ingine ujisukume huko mbele, sababu huwezi pewa kila kitu.
Kabisa.
Huko si kwenu.
Kabisa.
Tumekuwa God.
It's true kabisa, Pianto. And so mtu akuja hapa Kiserian Market anakupata vipi? Do you mind maybe sharing your number? Because nimeona stores hazina the labels za
jana ameninyonga wakachukua kasimu.
Hello?
Amenipiga.
Nani hao?
Usijali.
Pole.
Sasa sina kasimu.
But you have your SIM card. Your SIM card.
SIM card.
Maybe you'll replace in the next 2 weeks, whichever time. So to replace, still customers can be able to call.
I will replace even today's Monday. I will replace, but jana it was a Sunday. They did it. I let them be.
So what is your contact in case someone comes here 2 weeks from now, 1 month from now?
That's why I'm saying. Why did they do that? Because they are in a poverty line. Mtu ana chakula anataka tu 50 bob amange. Lakini wewe unataka mimi nikujange na madhauta? Sina.
Noma.
Noma boss. Mtu akikuchukulia kasimu kama haka hata kama nika 18.
Ni ngori kabisa. Kwa sababu na kama even you are saying an example, I'm using this to record. So ikienda pia biashara imeenda. Ndio, it's quite tricky.
What am I saying?
It's true. I lose the opportunity. I won't have the opportunity to do what I'm doing.
Because even when I go kwetu zaidi tuko Western, tuko West, Kajiado West. Hatujakiwa stima, tuko na kansula, tuko na tuko na tea. Let it be.
Yeah, it's true kabisa. Sawa kabisa, nashukuru Pianto, and also I'd like to wish you well in your business because I nimeona unafanya kazi na bidii na umepanga bidhaa hapa. Like customers they come through if it goes well.
If I can find find a small finance, I don't want much.
Like how much?
Even if 10K.
Yeah.
Me, I'm good to go, and you never see me again.
You'll be good to go.
I'm good to go, and I'm good to
this
go,
business,
and I'm energetic, and I know what.
It will grow
just to. I don't want to beg, just to boost it. Even if you will charge me, I will refund because I will find you. Why am I doing business? What is business?
So you're doing business to earn a living,
because
to have opportunity to invest other things.
That's all I ask. Even someone will listen there. Nothing else I want. Just boost me. If you charge me, you give me a man, I refund. You refund. Kabisa.
Haya, sawa Pianto, nashukuru, and also the viewers of this video will be able to see the sentiments, and also they'll appreciate because many point Kenya are also going through the same situation and the economy is getting hard by the day. So I really appreciate and wish you all the best in your business, Pianto.
And kabla malize.
Yes.
Life getting harder every day. Hey, life is getting harder. Na tusemi ati we want something to be given from the government or what. Just fund us. These young tax, just fund them, and the economy will grow. Kabisa. Even we don't want to beg.
And the ones who are the majority in the economy, the youth.
The youth. Right now there are so many youth drunkards. Why? Because they have nothing to give them. Even if you give them 1,000, I'm at 2,000, they will rise. But when they get 200, before they get up, they just drink. Then you say alcohol at is even Gashago if you're sleeping. Alcohol is not bad. Bad is the finance we get to go because you go. And if you give us finance, you never see them. You never see us there.
They go very, very
well.
You
never see us there. And you never see us there. Like, I will not talk to someone, for somebody. I'm talking for myself. If I find a little finance, you never see me alcoholic.
Thanks a lot, Pianto. And so, as you've heard, the youth out here are looking for opportunities, most of financing, so that they are able to implement what they have in mind, to jump in business, and even to have their talents grow. So share widely for it to be able to reach decision makers, your MPs, your MCAs, the governors, because out here youth need opportunity. They need financing for them to be able to implement anything. Asante sana Pianto. And of course, when you come to Kiserian Market here, look for Pianto for any grocery items.
And the end of quote. We are talented.
Kindly say again.
We are talented.
Thank you, Pianto. Asanteni sana. And Kiserian Market, look for Pianto for any grocery items here in Kiserian Market. Thank you, guys.